Mistplay does not guarantee a fixed support response time. How quickly you receive a reply depends on your issue, the number of requests currently being handled, and whether the support team needs additional information to investigate your case. By the end of this video, you'll know what usually happens after you contact Mistplay support, why some tickets take longer than others, and how to improve your chances of getting a faster resolution. The support process starts when you submit a request through the official help center or the support option inside the Mistplay app. After your ticket is created, you'll normally receive a confirmation that your request has been submitted successfully. Keep that confirmation email because it helps you track your case if you need to follow up later. Not every support request takes the same amount of time. Simple questions about your account or general app features may be resolved more quickly than issues involving missing rewards, account verification, or gameplay tracking. Those cases often require support to review activity logs before making changes to your account. One of the biggest reasons tickets are delayed is missing information. If your first message only says something like "my rewards are missing," support will probably need to ask follow-up questions before they can investigate. You can save time by including your account email, the affected game or reward, the date the issue occurred, your device model, and screenshots that clearly show the problem. After submitting your request, check the email connected to your Mistplay account regularly. Support replies are usually sent there, and if they ask for additional information, responding promptly helps keep your ticket moving. Also remember to check your spam or junk folder in case the message is filtered by your email provider. Avoid creating multiple tickets for the same issue unless Mistplay specifically tells you to do so. Duplicate requests can make it harder to track your case, and may slow the support process instead of speeding it up. If your ticket has been open for longer than expected and you haven't received a reply, use your existing support conversation to follow up politely rather than starting a brand new request. Keeping everything in one thread gives the support team the complete history of your issue. Here's the quick recap. Mistplay doesn't publish one guaranteed response time. More complex issues usually require longer investigation, and providing complete information with your first ticket can help reduce unnecessary delays. Check your email regularly and keep all communication in the same support thread whenever possible. If this guide helped you understand what to expect from Mistplay support, subscribe for more Mistplay tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and reward app guides.